What am I doing wrong? Psst, over here. Don't worry, champ. Stay till the end of this video and we'll troubleshoot it together. Sound good? All right, roll the intro. If you're new to my corner of the internet, I'm Coco Mendez, Facebook ad strategist who clears the complexities of Facebook ads for service-based business owners like yourself. Be sure to click the subscribe button for more up-to-date Facebook ad tips, resources, and tutorials. Without further ado, let's get into it. Mistake number 1, if you're using the DNS text record method and your verification code did not match, quick fix to this, you're basically going to go back into wherever your domain or domains are hosted, redo that process, make sure you're following exactly all the instructions that Facebook is giving you. I did provide 2 links in the description below to help you. It's kind of my little hack because sometimes it can take roughly 24 to maybe even 48 hours for your DNS text record to be verified. So this just makes the process a little bit quicker and taking out that unknown. Mistake number 2, if you're utilizing the HTML method and you added some text or there's some HTML markup on the web page, all you need to do is just make sure that is taken away. So again, double check. The process is a lot simpler than people make it out to be. Mistake number 3, if you're utilizing the meta tag method and just so happened there was something that was not copied over correctly from the domain verification instructions, that will set you behind. So go back in and just make sure you're meticulously going over those instructions and copying everything. Sometimes you can do things just a little quickly and you're highlighting and you just miss that one letter or number or something of the sort. Just go back, make sure everything is copied. Appreciate you for being here. I'll see you in my next video on how to connect Conversions API via Zapier or Zapier, however you say it.